Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the other functions. So let us start. Here another functions are, here one function is the left function. So let us see what is the use of this function. This function is used to extract characters from extreme left of a string. It has the following syntax: left string, left $string, comma n, where n is to specify the number of characters to be extracted from the left. The following program illustrates this. $A is equal to leftmost, $C is equal to left, $A4 print cs, and here the left function is used to extract characters from the left of a string. It means what? Left function is used to take out the selected number of the characters from the left side of a string. Right? Now here this program will explain how does it work. Here a string has been taken which is leftmost, and here one blank space is also there, and blank space will also count as a single number. So here in $A there is in A leftmost is stored. Now here we use left function to cut the 4 characters from the left and store these characters in C string, and now we print the C and C has the left 4 characters of the string which was in the A. So here the program is end. The left 4 characters are left, therefore the output will be left. Right? In the above program, only 4 characters are extracted from the string variable $A from extreme left and stored in C using the statement C is equal to left $A comma 4, and therefore when C is printed, displays left. It means at the place of number 4 you can change the number, and you can take 2, 3, 4, 5 as much you want, and you can change the string, and you can cut the desired number of the characters from the left using left functions. Now let us see another function, right function. It is the opposite to the left function. In the left function you can extract the desired number of the characters from the left, and here using right function you can extract the number of the characters from the right. So this is just opposite to the right function. Let us see how does it work. Here this function is opposite to the functionality of left function. It is used to extract characters from extreme right of the string. It has the following syntax: right string n, where n is the number of characters to be extracted from the right hand side. The following program illustrates this. Now here $A is equal to left right, C a string is there left right which has been stored in A, and now we cut 5 characters from the a dollar and store it into the C dollar is equal to write $A$5. Now we print the C dollar which has 5 characters from the right of a string. Now program is end, and now your output will be write 5 characters, which is right. Now in the above example, C dollar write $A$5 is responsible for the extraction of 5 characters from the string variable A dollar, which happens to be right. It means last rightmost 5 characters are right, so here right has been printed. Here in the nutshell, the definition or the function of right function has been given. The right function is used to extract characters from the right of a string. It means there are two functions which can extract the desired number of digits from left and right. Using left function, you can extract desired number of the characters from the left, and using right function, you can extract the desired number of the digit or the characters from the right of a string. Now we have other function, the mid function. This is used to extract the number of the characters, desired number of the characters from the middle of the string. So this is also used to extract the characters from a string from the middle of the string. So let us see. Using this function, it is possible to extract a specified number of characters from a specified position. It has following general syntax: mid string, P, N. Let us see, where P represents the position to extract from, and N represents the number of characters to be extracted. It means you have an string of 10 characters and you write the string, then you use P as 5. At the place of P you write the 5, and at the place of N you write the 3. Then it will return 3 characters starting from 5. So let us see. This program will clear the concept. Suppose there is a string A middle, A string middle, middle. Now we use the mid function and we cut the 2 digits. We want to cut or extract 2 digits from the 4th digit, starting from 4th digit, 4th characters from the middle. So now we use the mid function, mid $, 4 and then 2, and we store this output into the C dollar, this value into C string. Now we print the string. Here the computer knows that you have to extract 2 characters of middle starting from 4 and 2. Therefore here you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4th character, and this is starting from 4. You have to cut 2 digits. It means this is 1, this is 2. That is why here answer will be DL. Okay, this means 4th and 5th characters has been given here as output, as you have used mid function, right? This is because the statement mids $4 to responsible for extracting 2 characters from the 4th position in the string $, and stores it in C dollar, which when printed displays DL. Here the function of mid $ has been given. The mid$ function is used to extract characters from the middle of the string, right? So this is the function of $. Now the function of left, right and mid is clear to you. Now here another function is string. Let us see. This function is used to create the string. Let us see how does it work. This function is used to replicate a character for a specified number of times. Thus a string of this replicated characters is formed and returned. It has the following syntax. String, number of times of the replicate, and character to be replicated. So this program will make you understand how does it work. Suppose there is a string. You have to make a string of character C which have 5 time repetition of the C. So how does it work? So the string will be stored in $. So string 5 times character should be written, and which character? C. So this is how you have to write this. You want to make a string of character C which has 5 times repetition of C. So use this $, string $5 and in double quotes C, and it is stored in $. Now print $, and here the 5 times C has been stored in $. Therefore the string of C which has 5 characters of C will be there and will be output of this program. Now here the string function is used to create a string of repeated characters. This is very important. This is very important for you. Now here another function is STR function. This function is used to convert a number into a string. So let us see how does it work. This function is responsible for converting a number to a string. It returns the string representation of the given number. It has the following syntax: STR $number. The STR function is used to convert a number to a string. So if someone asks what is the function of STR function, then you will answer the STR function is used to convert a number to the string. Once a number is converted to a string, it can be used with any string function. However, one must remember that when a number is being converted to a string, it adds a space before it to represent the positive sign and minus before it to represent the negative sign. The following program shows its uses. Now let us see. This is the example. Suppose there is a number 1 2 3 4 5 which is stored in a variable. Now $, we want to convert it into the string. What will happen? We will have to use STR function and we will store it using STR A, and now this will convert it into the string and we store this into the B. Now in the next step we will print it. Print len $, comma, print $, write $2. Here you can see we have used length function for $, and write function for $. Then what will happen? If it will be converted into a string, this function will work because this function work for the string. And here using STR function we have already converted it into the string. So here length, it will give you 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 space. So this will be 6. Now when we use STR function for a number, then it adds extra one space before it for adding the plus or minus sign. So here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers digits are there, but before it takes one space. Therefore here 6 has been returned. Now from right you have to cut 2 digits. Therefore from right 1, 2 here. So therefore 4, 5 is the output of right. So this is how you can use the STR function. The first line $12345 assigns 1234 to the variable a. The next statement $str a converts the number 12345 to string and assign to $, the variable $. Therefore $12345, note that space is added before the string representation of number. Okay, this should be kept in mind. Now third point, the statement print length $, write $2 will display the length of string $, that is equal to 6. Here there are 6 characters including the blank space, right? This is very much important. And write $2 will extract the last 2 characters in string, that is 45, and displays it. Right? This is how you can convert a number into a string. There are many things you can do. Now you have studied about the length function, left function, right function, uppercase, lowercase, STR function, mid function. Now in the next video we will discuss about the numeric function. So this is all about video.